Hi! In front of me is CUBOT P50 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this CUBOT. First of all, you need to open calendar app. It should be over here somewhere. Then click on this little icon at the bottom right corner of it and just got it. From here, you need to click on the month above and pick a date. After that, you can create your event by clicking over here. But you can also tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner instead and choose event. Either way, now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title to it. Now you can pick starting hour of your event and ending one. If you don't need to do that, you can always tap on this switcher next to all day to disable this option completely. Then choose does not repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just set up does not repeat at the top. Now you can add people, add videos, and even just add location. Then select while using the app or only this time, type in an address of your event, and click on the correct result. Then you need to set up notifications, minutes, hours, or weeks before, change color of your event, take notes, and even add attachments. Finally, save it by choosing save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to edit it, you can always tap on it. Then click on this pen icon at the top right corner, make your changes, and discard them by choosing the top left corner and selecting discard in the pop-up. Come on. Over here, or save it by choosing save at the top right corner. If you wish to delete your event though, you can always do that by clicking on it, but this time selecting those three dots at the top right corner, selecting delete at the top, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!